Surfer today. He's just dragging a line. He's been in for a week. Well, since Monday. Surfer, come. That's my boy. Right here. No, come. Sit. Very good. Nope, sit. Very good. We got a little polishing. We've got, let's see, this is the 5th day. Yeah, we've got 9 days left with him. Surfer, heel. That's my good boy. Good boy. Hey, that's very good, Surfer. I'll walk back. That's my boy. That's my boy. Lay down. Nope, lay down. Nope, lay down. There you go. Nope, lay down. Nope, lay down. There you go. He's a little iffy. Free Surfer. Good boy. He hangs around me, tails wagging. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. But he's being a good boy. Surfer, down. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, buddy. That's right. Free Surfer. That's a good boy. And he's free right now. He's do whatever he wants. And as you see, he still doesn't want to wander too far from me. Good boy. Very good. We're working out just out back again. Many of you who follow these videos have seen this many a time. Surfer, leave it. Good boy. Surfer, sit. That's a good boy. Good boy. Oh, yes. Free Surfer. Sit. Heel. That's a boy. Oh, kind of sloppy. No, sit. Kind of sloppy, buddy. That's okay. We'll work on that. Heel. That's better. Nope. Heel. There you go. No, sit. Very good. I don't think it's too shabby after 5 days. We'll see how we're doing next week.